I'm waiting for him to turn it on.
Did you put it in neutral or what?
I don't want to bust. I need another demonstration.
He had the gas off, the fuel pump off. Here, hold this. Or you want to give him a demonstration?
No.
He had the fuel pump off.
Go. There you go. Let him try it. Get up, Hayes. Get up. No, get up. Oh my God.
I'll show him how to do it again real quick.
Hold on. Get up, Hayes. Get up. Hayes, get the fuck off the bike.
I'm trying to demonstrate for him. He knows what to do.
I know, but I'm gonna show him how.
Oh, you're gonna show him.
I don't want him wrecking over there in that fence.
That's why I told him to go slow.
Alright, hit the clutch. Clutch. Put it in gear. Yeah. Now let go of the clutch little by little. Did I rev it? Nah. Little by little. And once it starts moving, then you could. Oh, okay. Then your seat still doesn't have the screw?
I know, I gotta go buy. I've been busy, so I haven't bought the boat yet. You gotta put it. Oh, he's trying to put it in first neutral.
Yeah.
It's a struggle. It's like one of the hardest things to do when you first get a bike, huh? Well, hit the gas. Don't throttle it though, you'll go straight into that house. And then you hit the speed up and ramp that.
Right. Oh my God! That was in the gear.
I saw it, he didn't even have his hand on the clutch. Do you want a helmet? A little bit. Ah! Fuck. Yeah, I would brake if we hit that bump. Here, let me turn it around for you.
Struggles.
Right here. Get the camera, it's like turn it around for you. Alright, so my sub went out the other day. I just took it apart, put it back together already. But I guess the issue is that one of the wires burnt in the sub. So here's the wire that I just pulled out. It's all burnt. So I guess tomorrow, probably go and get some new wires. Hopefully the sub's still good. If not, I gotta buy a new sub, or I have to just steal the sub out of his car. He said he don't need one. He listens to classical music. He said he don't need all that bass. So that's the struggles. And this guy just gave up on riding bikes. It's too much for him, he said. Said maybe a moped would do.
A moped? A Vespa?
So now,
The Vespa's better than the fucking moped.
so now we're just gonna clean out the whip, and then I'm gonna go Uber with this fool. So we'll see what we get on that.
Uber with people or what?
Yeah, right there. Look at that. Look at the little girl right there. Working hard. Not even doing anything. He's not even working hard. He just be chilling all day. This guy. Slacking it. Slacking it in life. Look at him. His little pretty hair all long. Like a girl. Chilling. But there he goes. Look at that guy. Has the face of determination.
Valeting, what are you doing?
Why are you in the car?
Because I'm trying to get these cars faster.
You should be running to the car, not getting a ride.
You know what? Tell Martin that.
Tell him what?
Did you see his car going back? I was like, oh shoot, I didn't put it all the way parked. My bad, sir. I was like, sorry about the wait. Did you see it?
No.
You saw it, that why you're laughing at me? I think he tipped me like $2 though. The first one's the only one that did it.
Yeah, Joseph's all talking shit about him.
Yeah, he never tips.
See?
They were all telling me that. But he's tipped me twice so far.
He's
so.
tipped me once so far, so I think he just barely started tipping.
I'm sweating.
Why are you sweating? You're not even running. What is it? Which one?
Do you want to do this?
What?
B4. Second, go to the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4. The white one, the GMC. That one. Hiya!
Ah! Wow. Some people and their struggles.
I'm out here wasting gas.
Damn, look at that whip. Oh, yeah, I didn't even give you of it. MK Drive. Alright, we're dropping my car off.
You have the keys?
Yeah, we're gonna get this fool's car right here. We're about to go Uber in this thing.
You have the keys to the Chrysler?
Yes! And my sister over there working. You leave my keys with her. Oh, here's the keys, or we'll meet you up there. Oh, this is the car where the wheel fell off. I don't know if you guys seen that in my other video I was telling you about. The big old dent. We Uber and Lyft now. Smells weird in here.
Smells good.
Dirty.
Dirty. I got the shank just in case.
You couldn't just buy a gun?
Guns are overrated.
Couldn't get a grenade launcher?
Grenade launchers are overrated.
No one got the grenade launcher.
Back on my whip, boy.
Go by. Holy shit, we were just parked right here and this car just came flying upside down. Woo! Is he carjacking that fool?
No, I think he was just checking on him. He's okay.
Alright.
Bro, I was wondering what the fuck was going on. Oh, fuck. What the fuck happened?
I don't know.
That nigga just fly out of the air?
I don't know, he just came down this road. Holy shit. Oh. Alright, yo, I don't know if you guys just saw that, but we were just chilling, Ubering. Like right now we're about to pick somebody up from like down the street from that just happened. And we're just at the stoplight, and next thing you know, we just like hear like just a loud noise. It sounds kind of like a train. Maybe a few seconds later, we just see that car upside down, just sliding past us. You see sparks and everything. You know, it was a little surprising. But after thinking about it a while, that guy was on the wrong side of the road. So I don't know what happened, but maybe there'll be like a news story or something like that. So I can probably try to get that, put in the video if it comes up.
Where's
But
the guy at?
crazy. Now we're just trying to find, I guess, the Uber thing. Hamler here still in shock. Like, any words, bro?
I don't know, there's nothing to say.
Not much a movie thing.
That was crazy. Shit looked like off of a movie, off like Transformers or something.